Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you to another wonderful video. Very recently, one of my students, she surprised me with her band score in IELTS. And in fact, she's brought me this wonderful basket, and this basket contains all my favorite items like coffee, chocolates, liquid coffee, and cookies. Along with cookies, we have chips as well. Okay. Now, I would like to tell you some of her habits. Right? Her name is Hira Irfan, and she's achieved great bench score. And being an instructor, being a teacher of Hira Irfan, I would like to tell you her habits during the class. So this is going to be like powerful habits of high band achievers. Okay, her bench score is listening 8.5. She is looking for immigration. That is why she appeared in General Training IELTS. Listening 8.5, reading 8.5, writing 7.5, and speaking 7 band. You can see the TRF as well, right? Now, let me tell you, the first thing is when Hira Irfan came to me to join IELTS class, she was very, very serious and sensible. Like, her interest was all in IELTS. It wasn't that she took interest here and there, making friendships and this and that. No, she paid full attention to all the lessons that I delivered in the class. And I've got her videos, I've got her speaking videos on my channel as well. Whenever we were doing speaking component of IELTS, she was trying her level best to give me the best answers that she could possibly give. So the first thing is seriousness. The second important point is you need to pay attention to IELTS. Full attention, right? I mean, don't think about here and there. Don't spend your time here and there while doing IELTS. After that, whenever we were doing listening, she grasped all the tips that I gave her. And next time when she appeared in mock test, now the band score she achieved, she used to get the same band score in my mock tests as well. Like if I check the result of a mock test, she got 8, 8.5, 8. And in speaking, I gave her 8 band. But in actual exam, unfortunately, she got 7 band because she was ill, suffering from fever. She couldn't perform well. She requested the test center to change her test date. But they said, we will not change it, but we will have it right after listening, reading, writing. So still she achieved 7 band score. Now, Hira Irfan is actually a symbol of commitment. You know what? We've got 1,000 things in our life to do, right? Like at this moment, you guys are doing IELTS. After a couple of months, you will be doing something else. You will not be doing IELTS all through your life. So commitment. Commitment means if you are committed with IELTS, that commitment is not for 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 day only. No, that is a regular commitment. Regular commitment means on the daily basis. As she told me, she used to do listening, reading, writing. She used to practice speaking and all that. When she came, the level she had, that was around 6, 6.5. And after the classes, and I would say, it's not my classes that is going to bring higher band score. It's the student who is going to follow all the instructions. Now, everybody in my class cannot achieve 8, 8.5 band, but she achieved because of her habits, right? And one of her habits that I like the most, she stayed in the class till the end of the class. Otherwise, when I'm teaching, some students are running out of the class. Sometimes they say, okay, sir, I've got a call from my home. Sometimes when their speaking turn is over, they leave the class. I allow them to leave the class. But Hira Irfan stayed in the class from the beginning till the end, and then she got her desired band, and now she's very happy. She's going to apply for that express entry for Canada, and the next thing she's going to do, she's going to send me a picture from there. So if Hira Irfan can do it, anybody can do it. How can you do it? What Hira Irfan did to achieve this desired band, if you guys do the same thing, you will achieve your desired band. Her desired band was 8777, but she got 8.5 in listening, 8.5 in reading, 7.5 in writing. See that? More than the desired band, just because of commitment, just because of, regularity, punctuality, attention, and she was very much dedicated to IELTS. So if you follow the footsteps of Hira Irfan in future, I will interview her as well. If she's going to be willing, I will interview her as well. But if she can do it, if you follow her footsteps, most definitely you are going to be there where she is now. Once again, thank you so much for this, Hira, and all the best. I dedicate this video to my student, Hira Irfan. She has been my student in the university. Once upon a time, I used to teach in University of Central Punjab, UCP. I was a professor there, French language professor and business communication professor. So I taught her there, and then she became my student second time for IELTS. So that's something good. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the highest band in IELTS. Like Hira Irfan, one day you're going to present me something and I'll be making a video on your results. Inshallah, by the grace of Almighty God. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.